Hi, everyone. Welcome to this demonstration of SAP Commerce Cloud. I'm Alan Rohlholtz. Let's get started. I'm currently signed in to the Power Tools storefront as Mark Rivers. And what we're going to do in this particular demo is set up a saved cart. And I'm going to do that by adding a couple of products to my cart initially. So I'm going to start off with some footwear, and I would like to choose this shoe. I actually want to do this through an order form so I can see what is available and I can see the different sizes here. The order form is a very easy way to take variant products and add them to the cart very quickly. So let's say that we know we need to get a couple of those, and then women's size 7, we'll get 2 of those as well. I'll grab some size 14 of this brown. Add some women's as well, and these large ones. There we go. Now that I've selected all of these, if I scroll up, I can add these to the cart. Quantity added 14. Now I'm going to continue shopping here, because there are a couple of other things that I want to pick up. So I do want to get a screwdriver. Let's take this guy. I want to get 8 of these in this order. Let's add that to the cart. Let me continue shopping. And I also want to look for a power sander. I'll do a search for this product based on its ID. As I do that, it's the first one that's recommended to me. I can see that there's still 221 of these in stock. That's awesome. So I only want 4 of them. Get that added to the cart as well. And if I go to the checkout, now that I'm on the cart page, there's a lot of cool functionality that's here. I do want to save this as a cart that I'm going to use in the future. Now, if I click on saved carts, I'm going to go and look at the saved carts that I already have. So if I click on the new cart button, then I'm going to be prompted to enter in a name and a description for this. All right, I'm going to click save to save this. Now I see that my shopping cart is empty, and I get a message at the top that the cart shoes for the screwdriver power sander was successfully saved. If I want to find this cart now, I click on my account, and then I'm going to come over to saved carts. And here we can see the list of saved carts that I have. If I click on this, I come back to the cart and I can see everything that's in it. I can do a couple of things while I'm here. I can delete it to get rid of it from my saved carts list. I can edit it, and in doing this, I will be able to change the name and the description if I so wish. Or I can restore it. And when I go to restore it, I'm given a choice to keep a copy of this cart on my saved carts list. If I uncheck this and I click on restore, then this cart will become my active cart, and I will no longer have it in my saved carts list. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to keep a copy, and I'm going to restore this cart. This takes me right back to the cart page, and these items are in my cart. You can see that I have 26 items and a total of $2,446. If I come back to my account and I click on saved carts, we'll see that I do have a copy of what's here. And the ID is different. So you know that this is a newer cart. It actually is a copy. And then from here, I could continue to check out and go through that process of placing the order. The other thing that I could do here is I could request a quote. Now, quotes are a little bit different from a saved cart, because when I'm going through the add to cart process or the checkout process, the system is determining the price, right? Now, maybe because I'm, ordering 14 pairs of shoes and, 8 cordless screwdrivers and 4 power sanders, maybe I want a little bit of a discount. So I want to request a quote. Okay, now that I've requested the quote, I see that I'm on the edit quote screen. I still have the cart ID being displayed here, but I'm also getting a message that there's a minimum of $25,000 to submit the quote. Now I'm going to ignore that and I'm just going to try to go ahead and do this anyway. And when I click on submit quote, I get this pop-up saying, hey, are you sure you want to do this? Yes, I am. And now that warning message has become an error. The system is not going to allow me to move forward with this, right? So let me do some more shopping. Let's get 50 of those. Continue shopping. Sanders. Let's add. Let's view the quote. See if we can get this knocked up to 100 of those. Let's do these. Okay, and now I'm above that $25,000 threshold, and now I can submit the quote. Yes, I'd like to submit the quote. And then I'm taken to my list of quotes after that. So at this point in time, somebody within the organization would receive this and they could make a decision as to whether or not they're going to approve the purchase at that price. And then I would be able to come back to this quote and place an order for that amount. That concludes our saved cart and quote demo. Thank you.